Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, I am Thaiba Nazir and I am here to teach you mathematics of grade 9. Here we are studying chapter 1 matrices and determinants. Now we are studying addition and subtraction of matrices. First, addition of a matrices. Let A and B any two matrices with real number entries. The matrices A and B are comfortable for addition if they have the same order. Then add the corresponding entries so we are obtain an addition matrices. So two conditions would be cleared. First, their order should be same and entries should be real number entries. Then we can easily add their corresponding entries. So here are some example. First example, A is equal to minus 8, 2, 7, 12, 0, 4. This is a matrix of order 2 cross 3 and B is also a matrix of order 2 by 2. So here both A and B matrices have one same order. So we cannot add A and B. So in next example, if A is equal to 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 6 and B is equal to minus 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. If we can see A and B, both matrices have the same order. The order is 2 cross 3. So we can add these matrices easily and denoted by A plus B. When we add two matrices A and B, then we denoted it by A plus B. Here is an example. We have two matrices A and B. Then we can add it easily by adding their entries. So here A is equal to 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 6 and B is equal to minus 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So A plus B is equal to add both these matrices. So add their entries 2 plus into minus 2, 3 plus 3, 0 plus 4, 1 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 6 plus 3. Then the matrix will be 0, 6, 4, 2, 2, 9. This is the final matrix after addition. So A plus B is equal to 0, 6, 4, 2, 2, 9. Addition of a matrix is a very simple process. We can easily add their entries. So only one condition should be satisfied. Their order always will be same. Then we can add two matrices easily. Next is subtraction of matrices. Let A and B any two matrices with real number entries. The matrices A and B are comfortable for subtraction if they have the same order. Then subtract the corresponding entries so we are obtain an subtraction of a matrix. It's just like an addition of a matrix. In addition, the order should be same and we add their corresponding entries. But here in subtraction of a matrix, order should be same and we subtract the corresponding entries. For example, here A and B are two matrices. Order of matrix A is 2 cross 3 and order of matrix B is 2 cross 2. So we cannot subtract these two matrices because they have distinct order. So in next example, A has ordered 2 cross 3 and B has ordered 2 cross 3. So we can subtract easily. And subtraction of matrices is denoted by A minus B. Here is an example of subtraction of a matrix. Here A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 0 and B is equal to 0, 2, 2, minus 1, 4, 3. So we subtract A to B. So A minus B is equal to matrix A minus matrix B. So subtract their entries. So 2 minus 0, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 1 minus into minus 1, 5 minus 4, 0 minus 3. So subtract their entries. Then the matrix will be 2, 1, 2, 2, 1 minus 3. This will be the matrix of A minus B. We can easily subtract one matrix into other matrix. Now we will be discuss multiplication of a matrix. Let A be any matrix and the real number k be a scalar. Then the scalar multiplication of matrix A with k is obtained by multiplying each entry of matrix A with k. It is denoted by Ka. What is meant by all that? If we have a number which is scalar, then we multiply the scalar number with any matrix, then matrix will be the multiple of that scalar number. So here is an example. We have a matrix A of 3 cross 3 order, then multiply any scalar real number. So here k is equal to minus 2 be a real number. So we multiply this scalar number with matrix A. So Ka is equal to minus 2 into a matrix A. So minus 2 multiply each of the entries which are in matrix A. So multiply minus 2 with all entries. Minus 2 multiply 1, minus 2 multiply minus 1, minus 2 multiply 4, minus 2 multiply 2, and minus 2 multiply minus 1, minus 2 multiply 0, minus 2 multiply minus 1, and minus 2 multiply 3, minus 2 multiply 2, minus 2 multiply their all entries. Then the matrix will be equal to minus 2, 2, minus 8, minus 4, 2, 0, 2, minus 6, minus 4. This will be the multiplication of matrix.